Hi, today news is for the moment we are going to turn to the United States because a judge in Washington has blocked some of President Trump's plans to dismantle America International Aid Organization. It came after two unions sued the Trump administration, which had notified workers that almost all staff at the world's biggest aid donor would be put on leave. Reports suggested that aid staff could be slashed from a force of about 10,000 worldwide to just a few hundred. Now this was the scene of Friday at the organization headquarters, where crews were seen removing the signs to move is part of President Trump's efforts to reshape America roles in foreign aid assistance, but the dismantling of US aid is facing intense criticism at home and abroad. A North America correspondent, the dismantling of the world's biggest donor of development aid has already started signs identifying the agent's Washington headquarters have been removed of covered in black tape, but the fact it almost 10,000 staff remains unclear. A judge has put on hold the Trump administration plans to put just over 2,000 aid employees on paid leave while the court considers a union lawsuit to try to save the agency. With this ruling, it does provide a preview, and it also provides some other relief, we hope, as well, for payments that the US government is due to pay the partners and all of those who've been implementing programs long before January 20th. At risk are health and emergency aid programs in around 120 countries, including the world's poorest regions. The United States current budget allows about $70 billion for international assistance. Donald Trump has argued that the agency doesn't represent a valuable use of us taxpayers' money. When you look at said that's a fraud, the whole thing is a fraud. Very little being to put to good use. Every single line that I took at in terms of events and transactions is either corrupt or ridiculous. Opponents say the president plans is unconstitutional, arguing that Congress is the only entity that can legally dismantle the agency. Los Angeles. Well, meanwhile, President Trump says he is immediately revoking his presidential security clearance, a move that ends Joe Biden's access to daily classified intelligence briefings. President Trump posted that Mr. Biden could not be trusted because alleged problems with his memory, in a reference to the catchphrase of his former reality TV show The Apprentice. Mr. Trump said, "Joe, you are fired." Former US presidents traditionally access intelligence briefings to Mr. Biden, resented Mr. Trump after his first term ended. Thank you.